For years now, we've been using AliExpress and Shopify for dropshipping, but now there's a completely new way to start, and this is by using CJ Dropshipping and TikTok Shop for completely free. You don't have to worry about the 15, 20 plus days of shipping times when it comes to AliExpress, or the $40 fee for Shopify plus the app fees and their regular fees anymore. You can start for completely free by using this method. So let's just jump straight into how you can get started. Okay, the first step, what you need to do is come over to Google and type in TikTokShopSellerCenter.com, and then scroll down until you see seller.tiktok.com with the TikTok logo next to it, and click on the link. Then once you click on the link, it'll take you to this screen right here where it's going to ask for your region, which is Asia, Europe, and North America. So just select your region. You can only sign up to one TikTok shop, so it's going to ask you for some basic information like your name, your phone number, your address, and everything before you can get to this screen. But once you get to this screen, it's going to take you to this dashboard right here. This is the TikTok Shop SellerCenter.com dashboard. But once you signed up, you're complete for this step, so we can now move on to the next one. Okay, moving on to step number 2, you need to come over to CJ Dropshipping so you can sign up and connect your TikTok shop to your CJ Dropshipping store. And it's really easy and simple to connect them. The first thing you need to do once you log in and you're signed up to CJ Dropshipping is come over here to authorization and click TikTok Shop US. And once you click on that, you're going to be on this screen right here. So where it say add store, you need to click on this now. And it's going to take you to this screen now where it say authorize and select account type, authorize a service. So it should take you right here where it say North American seller, unless you're in Europe or Asia. So just click on this now. And now it's going to take you to the screen right here where it should say your contact email, your phone number. Put that in if you need to, and then hit the check mark right here and then confirm to install. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to click it, but for this step, this is what you need to do. And once you confirm it, that's pretty much all for that step to connect both of them. That easy. You're already on your path to getting started selling with TikTok Shop and CJ Dropshipping. Okay, and now to make sure you connected it right, you just want to come back over to CJ Dropshipping and just click on a random product and hit list. Once you click list, it should take you to this screen right here, and your store should be United States or Europe or Asia, whatever region you in. There's a little flag next to it, and then your store name, and then it's going to have how you want to edit this, like if you wanted to edit the price or anything of the sort before you list it over to TikTok Shop. But once you list it, it will be in your TikTok store now. Okay, and before we move on to the next step on how we can find our products, there's something very, very important that you need to do first. And this is by adding your warehouse to your TikTok shop so you can set it up for your shipping template. And if that sounds complicated, don't worry, it's not. I'm gonna take you through step by step, so let's just jump straight into it. Okay, the first thing you need to do is come over to your TikTok Shop Seller Center dashboard and come over to where your logo is at so you can hit your account. So right here, hit my account. And right here, you're gonna see warehouse settings. You wanna click on this now. And now what you wanna do is add new warehouse. So click on this right here. So this right here is the 2 warehouses that you need to put in. It's gonna be the warehouse name, Cranberry Warehouse, contact person, Ye. No, not Kanye. And your phone number right here, as you can see, the address, city and state, zip code. You need to put both of their information separately on this page right here. And this is what it should look like. I already have mine in. So this is the Chino warehouse, the contact person, the phone number, the address, the California 91710. And then this is what it's gonna look like, and then hit save once you're done with that one. And this right here is what it should look like for the Cranberry Warehouse. The contact person, Ye, the phone number, the address, Cranberry, New Jersey 08512. And then that's all the information that you need, and then hit save once you're done. And these are the 2 warehouses that you need to have in, so I'm gonna hit save. And now once you're done with that step, you need to be in your TikTok Shop dashboard still and come over to orders where it says shipping templates. Hit that. And now what you want to do once you get to the screen is come up here and hit where it say create a new shipping template, and then hit create. And then for the template name, just name it Chino or the Cranberry, whichever one that you went with first. So I'm gonna name this one Chino. And then for ship from, you need to select the Chino warehouse or the Cranberry warehouse if you did the Cranberry warehouse. So I'm gonna come down here and select the Chino warehouse for the Chino template name. And then for the shipping, I'm gonna hit standard shipping. And then right here for flat rate, what this means is the shipping price. So if you wanna, have your shipping $5 or, $2 or completely free, you just wanna put that in right here. So I'm gonna do like $1.99. And then once you're done with this, hit submit. And now once you're done with that, you just want to do the same thing, but for the other warehouse. So if you did the Chino warehouse, do it for the Cranberry. And if you did the Cranberry one first, do it for the Chino warehouse. But you just want to make sure you have 2 of these in your shipping templates, and once you're done, we can move on to how you can find your TikTok shop products on CJ Dropshipping. All right, and on to step 4 now. It's time for you to choose some products that you want to sell on your shop. All you need to do is come over to your CJ Dropshipping dashboard again, where all the products are found, and you don't just want to sell any random product on CJ Dropshipping. There's a specified section for TikTok products that you have to sell from. TikTok has a very strict policy when it comes to shipping time. That's why you can't use suppliers like AliExpress or even, you know, every product on CJ Dropshipping, because it just takes too long and it just doesn't get past TikTok requirements. So once you at the CJ Dropshipping dashboard, you want to scroll down. It's gonna keep scrolling and keep scrolling through all of these products right here, and then you're going to get to right here where it say recommended products for e-commerce platform, and you want to click on this where it say TikTok shop US. And all of these products that's in this section, you can sell any of them, but you know, any other product on CJ Dropshipping, you want to take it with a grain of salt, because most of the time you're not going to be able to sell it, because you want to make sure they have 3 to 7 day shipping on their products. So you just can scroll through all of these and just see what type of product you would want to sell in your shop. They have 17 different pages of products, and it looks like they have around, I would say, looks like at least 50 products per page. So they have a decent amount of products that you can choose from. So just scroll through, like I said, and just find ones that you like. I would say try to aim for at least 15 to 20 different products that you want to sell in your TikTok shop. Or even if you want to just sell 5 and just focus on them, there's a lot of different ways you can go about this. So just make sure you have a game plan when it comes to your product and how you're going to sell them. Okay, let's say you went through all the products and you wanted to sell this one right here, a wireless Bluetooth sports headband. All you need to do is click on it, and then once you click on it, just make sure you like the price right here. The shipping fee is $4.65, 63-cent service fee, and the product price is $5.82, which equals $11.10. You can easily sell this product for $15. You can go higher if you want, but I like to stick to the lower end and then have like a $3 to $4 commission on my product. And off of the $11.10, let's say you went for $16.99 or something, all of the rest of it is going to be, you know, just straight for you, because you don't have to pay for ads or anything. And what I like about TikTok shop too is they get the customers for you. You don't have to put in no extra effort on your part unless you do want to market your products. They just get them for you. You know, eventually on the TikTok shop, they just allow you to get views, which is very nice, at least for right now. I don't know, they might take it away in the future, but this is a big benefit right now. But once you click on a product that you want to sell, you want to hit list right here. So right here is where you can edit it how you want. And let's say we wanted to go with, let's do $15.99. So I'm gonna type in $15.99, and the product is going to be right here, and then I'm gonna hit list it now. Okay, now that it's listed, let's come over to our TikTok shop on our phone, and let's see if the product is listed. It might take, you know, a little while, maybe like 20, 30, or maybe even a few hours before it's updated on your shop, but don't worry, it just takes a little bit of time, so be patient. But on our TikTok shop, once it's updated, let's come over to TikTok shop and just scroll through our products until we see it. And right here, as you can see, here's our product right here that we just imported from CJ Dropshipping, and it's on our shop for our $15.99, $1.99 for shipping, which is going to be $2 more profit for us. You can do free shipping if you want to. So, but that easy, you can just list your products to CJ Dropshipping and start selling on here, and then eventually you're going to get customers thanks to the TikTok algorithm right now. Okay, moving on to step 6, 7, or 8, whatever step this is. This is one that's optional, but I highly recommend that you do it. And this is just ordering a few of your products and then marketing them. Not only this is put you up at one sold, you know, on your TikTok store, because you can buy it from like a different, you know, TikTok account and from your stores, and it's going to say one sold for whatever you bought from your store. You know, it just had a little boost to help you out. But this is what I did so I could order the product and market them now, you know, because once you market the products on TikTok, you're going to get more views and more eyeballs to your store, because you might be getting a sale or two every week or a couple weeks, you know, just going the organic route and waiting for TikTok to find you in the traffic. But if you order your products from your drop shipping store or Amazon, if you don't want to wait that long, you can order them from Amazon, because it's the same exact products. Whatever route you want to go, you just want to order your product and then make one video a day, or, you know, a couple videos a week, whatever time you have for, and then just market them on your TikTok, posting them on there, and then your account is going to steadily grow doing this method, because TikTok is pushing this right now. For one of my accounts, the first video I published for this, it got 20k views for just the first video, which is really good. It was a You Are Enough hoodie. You might have seen it. It was really popular. I bought it and I was marketing it and I had it on my store and it was doing really well. So just make sure you have a marketing plan. You can, just go the regular route and just have it organic, and eventually you get in the listings and TikTok start boosting you up. Or you can start marketing yourself, which I highly recommend you do, because this is just boost your sales faster, and the products only cost like 10 to 15 bucks each. You buy 2 or 3 of them, you're not going to be out that much money. So just make sure you know what you're doing when it comes to marketing. No more AliExpress and no more Shopify with their high fees and slow shipping time. This is the new way to drop by using TikTok Shop and CJ Dropshipping. I hope this video was helpful for you, and now that you found a new way to dropship, I hope you jump on it, because I feel like this is going to be saturated really quickly once people figure out how to really dropship on TikTok Shop and by using CJ Dropshipping. Or it might be even more suppliers like Zendrop or Spocket, or the other popular ones that really take notice of this and really navigate to be beneficial towards dropshippers on TikTok Shop. So you better jump in and get good at this quickly and be the ones that and earn some cash. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and I wish you good luck in your dropshipping journey, and until next time.